If you are absolutely done with stinky garbage bags, dripping food scraps, and taking the trash out every single day, you are in the right place. Today we are looking at the ultimate kitchen upgrade for eco-friendly homes, the FoodCycler Eco 3 Compact Kitchen Food Recycler. If you want a way to completely eliminate food waste right from your countertop without any smells or mess, you need to see this. Let's talk about how this little powerhouse completely replaces your traditional, messy compost bin. It features a space-saving, sleek gray design that takes up a tiny footprint on your counter, fitting right in alongside your coffee maker or toaster. Inside is a generous 3.5-liter removable bucket that you can easily move around with you while you're prepping meals. You just drop in your scraps throughout the day, drop the bucket back into the machine, and press a single button. It is a complete plug-and-play setup that requires absolutely zero learning curve. Now, what makes the Eco 3 truly special is the patented Vortec grinding system. Unlike other basic food disposers, this system is built to grind what others simply can't. We are talking about fruit peels, vegetable scraps, leftovers, coffee grounds, eggshells, and yes, even chicken bones and fruit pits. Over a short 4 to 9 hour cycle, the machine quietly heats, aerates, and pulverizes your waste, reducing its total volume by up to a massive 90%. What you are left with is a fine, dry, nutrient-rich soil amendment that you can use to feed your backyard garden or houseplants. The biggest worry people have with indoor recycling is the smell, but the Eco 3 completely solves that. It is equipped with a refillable carbon filter system that absorbs and totally neutralizes any unpleasant odors while it works. Plus, it runs with a subtle, low hum that is quieter than your average dishwasher, so you can easily run it overnight while you sleep without hearing a thing. It is incredibly energy efficient too, consuming less power per cycle than a standard clothes dryer. If you are ready to drastically cut down on your household footprint, save yourself the chore of taking out heavy trash, and create free nutrients for your plants, the Eco 3 is a total must-have. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how much food waste your kitchen goes through, and I will see you in the next video.